Welcome to BMLabs. Learn clearly, think deeply.
We start by joining simple statements into larger claims. This diagram shows conjunction, read as P and Q, the strictest of our 5 connectives. Look at the red cell. Conjunction demands both parts be true simultaneously before awarding a true value. Watch the yellow cell. Any weakening, if either statement goes false, collapses the entire equation to false. English also reserves a surprise. The word carries the exact same truth conditions as and. Both require all component parts to be true. Those 3 rules dictate everything the conjunction connective does. Notice that we never ask what the sentences mean in the real world. Logic only evaluates their true or false states. This comparison grid shows 2 distinct OR connectives. Confusing them changes the mathematical truth value entirely. On the left, the inclusive OR evaluates to true whenever at least one part holds, uniquely admitting the scenario where both statements are true. On the right, the exclusive OR evaluate to true only when exactly one part holds, actively rejecting the scenario where both are true. Exactly one single assignment separates them mathematically, when both P and Q are true. A restaurant menu offering soup or salad implies the exclusive OR. You get one, not both. But in mathematics, the inclusive OR is always the default. Implication, read if P then Q, is a promise where hypothesis P dictates conclusion Q. The promise breaks only if a true hypothesis delivers a false conclusion. Otherwise, a false hypothesis leaves the promise untested, always resulting in a true implication. In mathematics, logic ignores cause and effect entirely. If we assign a false statement to our hypothesis, like combinatorics is required, and a true conclusion, like Margaret Mitchell wrote Gone with the Wind, the implication remains true. A false hypothesis can never break an implication. That concrete criterion is the baseline rule for every logical proof you will write. We escalate logic into a two-way street with the biconditional, read P if and only if Q. It requires both hypothesis and conclusion to agree. Pause the video. Based on complete agreement, which 2 rows result in a 0? It's the middle 2. Any divergence in truth values breaks the biconditional. That strict agreement is identical to demanding that the implication runs in both directions simultaneously. P implies Q, and Q implies P. That equivalence underlies every formal definition. Let's look at the implication arrow. A single arrow carries 2 separate readings. Focus on the hypothesis. P is the sufficient condition. Knowing P is true guarantees Q. Focus on the conclusion. Q is the necessary condition. Without Q, P simply cannot hold. Everyday speech often gets this wrong. A parent who says, if you do your homework, you can watch the game, usually means a two-way biconditional. In scientific logic, you have to resist that slide and keep the directions separate. In any implication, the hypothesis is the sufficient condition, and the conclusion is the necessary condition. They are never interchangeable.
Keep learning with BMLabs. Follow for more simple and powerful lessons.